This is a really great way to get started, and we're going to talk about some basic ways to incorporate this on the kit. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're at the kit. We're continuing our conversation on polyrhythms, talking about the 3/2 or the 2/3 polyrhythm, depending on how you look at it. This is a really great way to get started, and we're going to talk about some basic ways to incorporate this on the kit. So the idea is you have a subdivision of 3 in one limb. We're going to use our hands today, and then a subdivision of 2 in the other one. So let's put the 3 in our right hand to start and the 2 in our left hand. And let's just start by playing that with our hands. It sounds something like this. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. Hands together on the first one, right, left, and then right. Once you got that in the hands, take your sticks and split it up against 2 instruments, so like the hi-hat and the snare. Put a kick in there and you got yourself a groove. Try it out, and I'll see you guys next week.